Well, we have here is a 1972 GM Delco Cadillac radio. It's the Wonder Bar type. So you press that button there, it says more stations, and it automatically moves the dial. Well, this is back in the mechanical days before electronics were really come along. So it wasn't working, it was jammed. So I went inside and I found this thing is actually a transmission. Its intention is to slow down the travel. I guess it's spring travel. And this device is actually the relay that actually starts the whole thing. When you push the button in the front, it provides ground to this relay, turns the whole system on, and it lifts this tab out of a gear and allows the transmission to run, and then the gear goes by. There's also two solenoids at either end. So what I did is I took the solenoid out of the defective radio and took it apart. And what I found was very interesting to me. There's a defect. Actually, you can see it on the outside of this casting. See that bump? It's right there. That bump goes all the way inside, and that gear has some flying weights, and they get trapped. I'll put the phone down 1 second, take it apart so you can see it. Oops. Okay, sorry about that. So this is the transmission. I'm just dumping all the components out of it. If you look inside there, you can see that bump I filed down. Now that defect goes all the way through the outside, but I filed it down enough that this thing's working once again. And once I get the other solenoid fix, that Wonder Bar radio should be working, at least as far as stations. And what happened was these weights were actually hitting the wall and getting stuck, jammed into a bump that shouldn't be there. So when I filed, you can see the scratches. I filed it down, it works again.